Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Zap application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your iPhone and the Zap application to send the notifications to your watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the settings on our iPhone. So find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and select it. And here we should see the Amazfit GTR 2E on the list of my devices. As you can see, it's not here. So what we need to do is close the settings for now, open the Zap application, tap on Profile, select our Amazfit GTR 2E from the list of my devices, then find the notifications and reminders and tap on it, tap on App Notifications and enable some kind of notification. And you will see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions and pairing. So tap on Pair, tap on Got it. Let's wait a second or two, then close the app for now. Open the settings again. Tap on Bluetooth. And now you should see the Amazfit GTR 2E. So if you don't see it on the list of my devices, you need to open the app, enable the notifications for a second. You will see pop-ups about the permissions required. If you see them, tap on Allow. And if you see the pairing pop-up, also tap on Pair. And now we have the Amazfit GTR 2E. And we can tap on the info icon next to it. And there is this option called Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled. If it is, you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Zap application on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. And once it is, we can close this and open the Zap app again. Tap on Profile, of course, select our Amazfit GTR 2E, and then tap on Notifications and Reminders. And here we have a couple types of notifications. We have app notifications, incoming calls, incoming SMS, and email. First, let's tap on App Notifications. Here we have the list of apps we can enable the notifications for. And we have like Pokemon Go, Chat, Calendar, Line, Gmail, TikTok, YouTube, and stuff like that. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for WhatsApp, and you receive the notification from WhatsApp on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will only see it on your iPhone. That's how it works. And if you want to enable the notifications for the apps that are not on this list, because there is like limited amount of apps, you can enable the other option. And this option, basically what it does, it enables notifications for the apps that are not on this list. You can also tap on more apps here, and we have even more apps on the list, but I don't see Discord anywhere, so I'm gonna enable the other option because I want to use the Discord as the example. Okay, now let's go back to the notifications and reminders. Tap on incoming calls, and if you want to receive the notifications about calls from your iPhone, enable it by tapping on the switch. You can also enable and disable the option to show the contact information, and you can also enable and disable the delay if you want to. And if you enable the delay, you can tap right here and set the delay to something like 30 seconds, or it goes from 3 to up to 30 seconds basically. Okay, let's go back. Next we have incoming SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for the SMS by tapping on the switch. And finally we have the emails, and we can enable them right here. Okay, and once you're done setting up your notifications, we can test it. Basically it should be working now. So I'm gonna send myself a notification, or rather message, on Discord. And we got the message or notification on our iPhone and also on our watch, as you can see. So it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.